RG101 Pro to access mechanical PTZ. Video teaching of UAV operation. Outdoor flight. You can search for enough satellite signals only when you find an open place outdoors. Take out the UAV and remote controller. Then take out the obstacle avoidance head and tools. Take out the cover plate of the installation, position of the obstacle avoidance equipment, and insert the obstacle avoidance equipment. Expand the forearms of the UAV. Take out the camera protective cover and install the UAV battery. UAV frequency matching. Put the UAV on the level ground, and then long press the UAV power switch for 3 seconds. The camera PTZ will reset automatically. At this time, the light on the UAV flashes rapidly. Long press the remote control switch. The light on the remote control flashes, and the remote control and the UAV automatically align. The front and rear indicator lights of the UAV flash to be always on, and the rear light flashes slowly, indicating that the frequency alignment is successful. Calibrate geomagnetic operation. Press the geomagnetic calibration button on the remote control, and the light of the UAV flashes with a D sound from the remote control. Hold the UAV in your hand and slowly turn it clockwise horizontally for 3 to 5 turns until the remote control makes a D sound. At this time, turn the handpiece downward and clockwise, slowly for 3 to 5 circles in the vertical direction until the remote controller gives the D sound. The front light of the UAV is always on, and the rear light flashes slowly, indicating that the geomagnetic calibration is successful. Gyroscope calibration operation. Put the UAV in a horizontal position. Press the gyro calibration button on the remote control, and the remote control will give a D sound. After the UAV lights flash quickly, the front lights will return to normal light, and the rear lights will flash slowly. At the same time, the remote control will give a D sound, indicating that the calibration is successful. Search GPS signal. After the calibration is successful, the UAV starts to search for GPS signals automatically for about 1 to 3 minutes. About 12 signals are required. When the rear lights of the UAV change from slow flash to constant light, 4 lights are always on, and at the same time, the remote controller gives a D sound, indicating that the satellite search is successfully connected to GPS. At this time, turn the rocker to unlock the motor with Y-bot zoom, or press the left remote control lever vertically to unlock, and push the left remote control lever upward to take off. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. The right steering lever of the remote controller moves forward, and the obstacle avoidance head scans the object forward. If an obstacle is detected, it cannot control the forward flight. The other 3 directions, backward, left and right, are the same when controlling. Basic operation demonstration. Up, down, left rotation, right rotation, forward, backward, left flight, right flight. The camera can be adjusted up and down. Click the one button return button to immediately return. APP operation demonstration. Scan the manual corresponding system to download and install the UAV app, and then open the mobile phone Wi-Fi to connect the signal sent by the UAV. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, Open the UAV app and click the mobile phone to start flying. GPS portrait follow. The UAV shall keep a distance of 10 to 12 meters from the person or object. Click the function menu on the app and select follow. At this time, the UAV will automatically follow you. GPS circling flight. Keep a certain distance between the UAV and the person or object. Click the function menu on the app and then click surround flight. At this time, the UAV will fly around the object. GPS multi-point flight. Click the function menu on the app. Enter and click multi-point flight. Click the screen to set the flight route, and then click the GO icon at the bottom right of the screen to conduct a multi-point flight. Indoor flight. Put the UAV in the horizontal position. Press and hold the GPS button on the remote control for 3 to 5 seconds until D reaches the indoor mode, and then calibrate the gyroscope. Unlock the aid outside the remote control for takeoff, or press the unlock button on the left remote control lever vertically to lift the accelerator for takeoff. Special statement. 1. In the outdoor, you must search the satellite and connect to the GPS before taking off, otherwise, there is no return positioning function. 2. Because the indoor space is small and the detection range of obstacle avoidance head is large, the obstacle avoidance head cannot be installed, otherwise it cannot control the front and rear left and right flight. Replace UAV blades. When installing new UAV blades, pay attention to distinguish between AB blades. Unscrew the screws to take out the old UAV blades. A bracket corresponds to A UAV blades. B bracket corresponds to B UAV blades. Tighten the screws to install the UAV blades. Charging demonstration. When the battery and the remote control are charged, the red light is always on, and when the battery is fully charged, the red light is off.